Now for demonstration, here we have a window of SPSS, as you may see on this screen. Let's start saying that we have a collected data kept in Excel sheets file. So once you want to import this data into SPSS, I'm gonna show you how we can do that for further analysis. Let's go. Now let's click here on the file. Click on the file. Under there is open. We click on open. We go then to data. We are going to source and to track where the corrected data in Excel are kept. Let's say our data are kept on desktop. We select desktop. Then because the new SPSS, because our data are kept in Excel sheets, let's here select Excel. We can select Excel file, of course, here, and then from that you may see that our data is appearing now. Our file in Excel, we click on it and then we click open. Then we wait a moment. Now you see there is a smaller window coming here. There is no need to set the range. We have to directly open. Then you see our data are now imported in SPSS. As you may see, as we explained in the previous presentation, here we have a window for variable view, as you may see here, and another window for data view. So on this we have different columns. Each column is presenting each type of each variable, of course. Let's start with the variable of maternal age. You see this variable was measured in numbers, of course. That's why it is numerical continuous. So once we go to the variable view, this is the first variable, which is maternal age, which is numerical by type, and width is set already on 12 according to the number of wording by name. And decimals, actually we don't need many decimals. We can put decimals to 0 because we don't need, if you are to say 25 age, it is 25. No need to say 25.6 or whatever month. No, 25 is enough. Let's say that. Then we can do description label, where we can of course provide detailed name of the variable description, which is maternal age as usual. And then we are going to set values. Values were collected in a numerical form, but we can also create age category to see whether this variable is correlating or influencing the dependent variable based on different category of maternal age. So we shall see this in further analysis, but still you see we shall set value and label, and then later we shall see how we can do further analysis with using categories. And then there is another column showing whether there is a missing value or not. We can see here there is none. Number of column are 12. then alignment of the cases and the variable. Here it is on the right position. We can see if you are to go to their view, they are on the right position. So you can even change and center this alignment. Let's say we want them to be in center. Here you see they are now centered. So we can even say, let's say you want them to be on the left position. So once you come here to data view, you can see they are now on the left position. Now, so let's keep them on center position. We came here and you click on center. Then the measurement, as you may see, there is a something like tape measure, right? So meaning that this is a numerical value measured in numerical form, not ordinal, not nominal, it is in numerical continuous. Then there is no any other input as well. So thank you so much. This is the introduction on data view and variable view in SPSS. Before we are going to do some descriptive analysis and even inferential statistical analysis. Thank you for today. Thank you.